That means hello. I'm a spotted owl. In Spotted Owl. Now, never mind all the owl facts I could tell you about how we fly slowly and silently and can turn our heads all the way around. I would like to tell you a little bit about my particular species, if you don't mind. The spotted owl, we have always lived in old growth forest, meaning in trees no younger than 200 years old, which is a lot older than you, I bet. You know, those trees, they really do their time sitting around that long. Well, before I say more, I really just would love to thank the people who put us on their list of endangered species in 1990 for leverage against the logging community to slow the unsustainable destruction of the forests where we live. We are sorry some lost their jobs, though not all lost their jobs, which to me is better than us and all the forest creatures losing all their habitat, which is our homes. I really do thank you more than you realize. But you know, in a cruel twist, we are still going extinct. Thanks in large part to the barred owl strangely moving in from the eastern U.S. See, they are bigger than we are, more aggressive than we are, and their diet is more diverse. They steal our nesting sites and do much worse that I would not like to talk about. Did I say that we spotted owls mate for life? Well, we do. We also have a complex language. One might say we are exceedingly more cultured than the barred owl, same genus. And yet they have run us, as you might say, out of Dodge. And this Dodge, I might add, was really not their place to run us out of. But what can we do? What can you do? All I can say to people who want to do their part in saving us is this: photograph us should you see us, and send it to your nearest park biologist, and they will do their part, which it's better than nothing, this taking a picture. So, with that, I bid you good day. Woo!